dropped her.
Yes.
Dude, that was a heck of a shot. Lead the way.
Mm.
So we made it back to our spot. We have about a foot of snow right now. So I was a little hesitant coming back this far. It's January 2nd. We're back after another DMAP tag doe. Chase has got the rifle today. He's got the only tag left. So we're gonna try to give it a couple hours. It's real cold. It's only about 15 degrees. So we'll see how long we can make it. Well, that didn't take too long. Made it about an hour and a half, didn't see anything. And so now we're gonna try to just warm up and move positions a little bit. This is how we're resorting to warming up fingers. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Not much going on. We sat for about an hour and a half, didn't see anything. Didn't bump anything walking in, didn't bump anything walking out. We're gonna call it a day and think about what we might do tomorrow. We're set up. We're gonna at least give this a try for an hour and see how it goes, and then we can peek over the ridge line a little bit over there later into the morning if we need to. We gave it about an hour and a half, and again, it's cold, so we're gonna go. Chase wants to take a walk. I told him the likelihood of us getting on one walking is pretty slim, but we've done it before. But we're gonna sneak up and then peer down over the edge of this ridge in several different spots and see if we can't see a doe down at the bottom like we did a couple days ago. We just snuck over. We're overlooking the top of this ridge, and we got eyes on one. The snow's a little loud, so we're gonna take it really slow and see if we can't sneak up a little bit closer and get into position. Watch on the screen. See right there. See ya. And then I'll be behind you. Try to slide your way down there. Get behind that mound.
Is she looking at us?
No, you're good. For now, we'll see. I don't know. That's the only way it's gonna happen. Can you see her? she's quartered away real hard, so we're not going to shoot that. Just hold on. She's about to move. Does that help at all?
No, she went back behind the tree. I don't know where she
She might go back to where that opening she was. See her? She's facing you. Do you see that? Alright, she's about to be in the opening.
I lost her.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's not. No, it's not. No. No. She's bottom up.
You're good, shooter. Yeah, you're good, shooter. Dropped her.
I did?
Yes.
Let's go.
You dropped her.
Yes. Yes.
Dude, that was a heck of a shot.
No. If you look through the scope, there was branches where I'm supposed to shoot.
I know there's branches, but
And
they
I'm
were.
like, you told me to risk it.
Well, no, there was not enough that's gonna stop that bullet because they were close to where she was. So. Yes. Good job.
Let's go. I'm thinking there's a good shot. Let's go.
Let's go. All right. Well, now we shot her at the bottom of this stupid hill again.
That means we better do this quickly.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna leave a lot of this stuff up here. Walk down, grab her.
We're gonna leave this stuff?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. That doe I shot was right there.
I bet you that could be the doe that was right there.
I was just thinking that.
I was thinking that when I'm like, after I shot him, I'm like, wait, we're basically right where he shot his doe, or up above where he shot his doe.
We gotta hurry because right now it's 10 o'clock. We're supposed to be walking out right now. Nice.
Found her.
Yep. Nice job, buddy. You happy?
It's the second deer I've killed with that gun.
I know. Worked out good for you.
Yeah.
Well, here it is. It was a perfect shot. Dropped it right in his tracks. And I think we got one happy kid right here.
I'm happy that I made a good shot, and I'm glad that I could get this deer.
We got another tough, long drag ahead of us. Got to go back up that hill, but we'll take it. We knew that's what we were getting into.
Well, we have to go to a basketball game. We're gonna leave this deer here because there's no way we can get it out and get to my basketball game in time. So we're gonna leave it here, and when it's done, we're gonna come back here and get it out.
I got that. Payback. Yeah, we're coming back later. We don't have time to drag that thing up this hill. So I think we're gonna bring some game bags and some backpacks. Come back after that basketball game, quarter it up down there and carry it out. That's gonna be a lot easier now that we have even more snow than we did the other day.
This is so exhausting.
It's only gonna be worse the next time.
I know. We only have to do that 2 more times.
Well, we're back to the property now. Had some time to go home, get our gear together, and now we got the stuff we need to. I think what we're gonna do is quarter it and carry it out. But we're also gonna bring a sled back that might help us a little bit. All right, we got everything together. It's probably about 3/4 of a mile deep. And then at the end of that, down off that steep bank and that hill. So we got our work cut out for us, but we're gonna go get it. We're gonna give this a go.
Oh yeah, this is fun. Just I literally can't see.
Okay, let's go. Sometimes these doe hunts, you can turn into a little bit of an adventure, and that's what we were trying to do. It's just as easy to go find a spot, sit on a field edge, and maybe get a crack at something. But if we have snow and we have time and we're not really in any dire need of the meat, we are afforded the opportunity to try some things and have some fun with it. All right, got her quartered up, ready to head out. We got everything put in our game bags right down there. Got a couple backpacks, and if we can at least hike it up to the top of the hill, we'll be able to put most of it on the sled and pull it out that way. So now comes the toughest part of this whole deal. Heck of a day, dude. Nice job. That's gonna put a wrap on our 2025 hunting season.
See ya.